Using simple objects like a cup or an apple is easy for the edit model, so we will ramp up the difficulty for these AI models to work on. This time we will use complex clothing patterns. Today we will take a look at Qwen Image Edit. In my personal opinion, it performs better than Context. I have tried different stress tests with many kinds of images, and Qwen seems to handle them consistently well. I intentionally used an intricate and detailed traditional style attire to see how well it would handle the image. I also added a resize step to optimize the image so it fits within a 1024 size. This makes the inference faster and prevents running out of memory. When using high-resolution images, you can always upscale the result later if needed. I set both the width and height to 1024, so whichever side is larger will automatically scale down to fit that size. If the width is greater than 1024, it will shrink to fit. If the height is greater than 1024, it will shrink to fit. And if the image is smaller, it will scale up on the largest side. This is because we select Keep Proportion. I am using the Lightning 4-step LoRa to speed it up. Although it is 4 steps, I enter 8 steps. To get the best quality, I will enter the prompt. Place the woman in a snowland. The result is amazing. The woman is placed in a snow world, and the atmosphere feels very natural. Now let's take a closer look at the dress. The intricate details are not lost. When we compare it with the original image, we can clearly see it is still the same dress with all the patterns preserved. Let me know in the comments if you need any help, or if you want to download the workflow. You can also join the Discord if you encounter any issues. Goodbye, and see you in the next video soon. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any updates.